guys, welcome back to my channel. I have 3 cupboards full of clothes. Yeah, 3 cupboards. I know it's too much for a person who says he or she is a minimalist. So today I have decided that this month I'm going to get rid of all those things. Like approximately 50% is going out of all those 3 cupboards. Come on, let me show you what all those cupboards and what I'm going to do today. So the first cupboard which I am going to declutter is this one. You can see what a mess it is. It has actually all my office wear, basically all Indian office wears. So this is what I am going to touch first. I am going to declutter. Then the second cupboard which I am going to touch is this one. So this cupboard basically have all western wear, like my office wear, my party wear, all my dresses, all my shorts, everything is in this. Next, the third cupboard which I am going to declutter is So this is the third cupboard which I am going to declutter. Actually, you can see it is quite a mess and it has lot of clothes, like all mixed segments are here. Basically, it has all my nightwears, whatever I wear on Sundays or weekends. Then it has all my party Indian wear, like my saris, my kurtas and all those stuff. So this is something which I'm going to touch at the last because there are a lot of things which will be really heavy on my heart to give away. So let's do it. So this is the one which I'm going to declutter today, and what I'm going to follow a KonMari method partially, in which I have to take down all my clothes and make a pile on a bed. Now after that, I'm not going to follow the complete KonMari method. I'll show you what I'm going to do. Let's take everything out and do it. Hey Bhagwan! So finally, I'm going to start the process. Hush! So the number one thing which I'm going to do is I'm going to first separate the clothes which I wear every day. And then I'm going to separate the clothes which I have not touched for at least 2 years, so that I can easily identify what is to be given. Okay? So let's do that first. This pile is going to fall now. So these are all the clothes which I am wearing, and like for past 2 years I have at least wore them once, but this one what I'm keeping here is like I haven't wore that for at least 2 years. So let's see, अभी तो बहुत lot is left to segregate. This is lost and found. I've been looking for this like 6 months. And I have not worn it for even once, and I've been looking it for so long. So lost and found. Don't fall. No. Yes. Wearing, not wearing. Not mine actually. So basically that is the pile which I am not wearing for past 2 years. Like I have not touched it for past 2 years, and this whole pile is what I am wearing. So I think that is quite a lot. Okay, at least I'm happy step 1 is done. So I want to tell you why I did this. So I did this because I know like how much was lying in my cupboard which I have not touched for last 2 years. So that in future whenever I'm going to purchase anything, I will be more mindful about it, and when I see something in my cupboard, I should know that I'm using it. Otherwise there's no point in keeping in my cupboard. So I just want to remember it forever that this much was lying in my cupboard and I was not using it for past 2 years. That was the whole idea for this exercise, so that I become more mindful about it. So now what I'm going to do it, I'm going to follow a KonMari method again, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick up a cloth and see whether it is giving me that joy, whether I will enjoy wearing it, whether I feel confident wearing it, whether I feel beautiful wearing it, whether I like wearing it or not. If nothing like that, I'm just going to say thank you to it and give it away. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with the clothes which I was already wearing, because I have worn it so many times, so I think it would be easier for me to analyze whether I wanted to keep it or not. So this is going to be a huge task, I think, and as I said, there is not going to be any maybe pile. Either it's yes or no. Anyways, I'm not a kind of person who gets very attached to anything. That is at least what I hope. Let's see. So I'm going to follow a KonMari method. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with what I've already wore. No. I'm already confused. I just started, yaar. I've just started. I'm confused. No, there's not going to be any maybe pile. It's either yes or no. If it is not a firm yes, it is a no. Okay. And it is not a firm yes, so it is a no. Yes. Five, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. 33 is the count from the second pile which I'm going to give away. 33 plus 27, 60. Okay, I'm going to give away 60 items. Let me see how much I kept. So I've kept very less from the second pile. It is just 9 pieces of clothes which I've kept. 9 plus 50 earlier what I've kept. It makes it 59. Oh my god. I am donating 60 and keeping 59. That is, I have aimed for 50%. This is slightly more than 50%. I would proudly say that. I'm so happy. Okay, now I'm going to segregate everything, put everything what I'm going to donate in a bag, and put everything which I am going to keep in baskets, and I'm then gonna show you. I'm so happy. Yay! Whoa. So as you can see, I am almost done. Completely done actually. This is a set of clothes which are like full set, kurta, pajama and dupattas. These are also the similar kind of sets. These are my chicken kurtas. These are the kurtas like plain kurtas without any leggings and all, where I mix and match. These are the common pajamas which I can mix and match. And this is how I keep my lowers. I will just show you. So these all are my leggings. I pack them in this basket and keep like that. Same I do with my dupattas, the common dupattas. I keep them in a basket. So that's it guys. It looks really pretty neat. I'm really happy with the job. Whoa, finally we are done. It was a huge task, but the heaviest part I think was at the end when I have to fold everything nicely and keep it in the cupboard. I was like tired, at by that time and didn't feel like doing, but the end result was so satisfying. As you have just seen, it looks so clean and calm, and I can just go in the morning and pick my things neatly. Also, do subscribe to my channel and press that big like button. It will help my channel to grow and motivate me to make more videos. Also, it's free. Stay tuned. See you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.